let's make a cute, quick Alice in Wonderland inspired canvas board. So firstly I roll out this air drying clay. Sorry, somehow I lost this part. I have no idea why, where it went. And I used a rose stencil, which I then pressed into the clay. And now I am gluing it on the canvas board itself, as you can see here. And I just want it to be like uneven. So you can see there are the roses on there. Then I have this Stamperia mold, which is inspired by Alice in Wonderland. So I chose this saying and I glued it on the canvas board. I mean, you can wait until the one dries and then do the other one, or put it together and let it dry together. And now a little roses. As you can see here, I am gluing them on as well. Sometimes it's really better that the thing you are drying it on is dry. Sometimes it is really a better idea, because it can happen that it will not stick so good together, you know, because both are still wet. Okay, so I let it all dry. Now it is all dry. And firstly, I painted the whole thing in black, and I took off the excess with wet towel. So this is why I am always waiting for the air drying clay to dry, because if I am doing this or if I am painting it, I may destroy the image, the saying, or whatever I have on the clay. So it is best if you really let your clay dry. Trust me. I'm not just saying it every time just because I, like my voice, because I don't like my voice. I don't like my voice at all. Okay. So, next step, I painted this part, as you can see here. So I didn't paint it the whole thing black. I was thinking I did. Okay. So I painted the part with the roses, the clay part, in gold. And of course the roses I painted red. And again I took the excess of the red paint with wet towel, and the gold was a metallic paint, but all of them are acrylic paints. So, and now cut up kitchen sponge and white white paint, which I am dabbing onto the roses and on my board here and there. And I think I did a little bit on the saying as well, but I am not 100% sure. And now everything was sealed with matte varnish. I like to use matte varnish on clay. I don't know why, I am just that way. Of course you can use glossy one as well, it's up to you. So next step was, firstly I was thinking like doing this. So I am using glue for metallic foil, or metallic, it says glue for metallic leaf, I think, which I did. And then you let the glue dry, then you apply this foil. But I must admit, I didn't like the outcome. I did not. I mean, it wasn't very visible for me. So I then chose this 3D glue, and I used this on the roses, as you can see here. And I did use it on the saying, like the sign as well. And you use this glue again you apply it, you let it dry until it becomes transparent. And when it is transparent, you use this metallic, well, leaves, whatever it is called, like metallic foil, and you took off the excess with the brush, and you can use them next time. So you just clean it, the excess, and it will only stick there where you applied the glue. And everything else, just with soft brush, you clean it up. And I chose another one because, see, a good cleaning, it needs a good cleaning as well. So I did that. Oops, yeah, that's me. It wouldn't be me if I didn't let anything fall. So, and now a little bit of wax paste with the golden shimmer in it. I applied it on the roses, a little bit on the sign as well, so here and there. And I think technically we are finished. It's a cute sign for your tea tray stand or whatever. This was Alice inspired, so this is my Alice inspired series. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.